context individual.
I love you, Jordan, as a friend. No offense to you. You can have him.
I don't want any of it.
That was random.
Okay, hi, I'm Holly, and...
Maddie!
Okay, so right now we are gonna just do a little rapid fire John.
Because he's our friend. Like,
Okay, no talking in between this rapid fire.
okay, I have to be quiet. I have to do it, Brent. I have to be quiet.
Yeah,
She does
okay.
this.
Okay, I'm ready for this.
And I was on the sun.
Okay, so back to that. Jordan, you're a great guy. You got a good girlfriend. Bad hairdo. You look like an Oompa Loompa. Yeah, I hope your love stays solid.
Always be protected.
Always be protected!
Always be protected.